Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at natural gas, daily, weekly, and shorter term time frames. So the bulls are still struggling in the low 290s. Pulling back from that level back at the end of July, and now pulling back from it the past 3 days, and then seeing a dump today. So the bulls are still in control as long as all these moving averages are support, and as long as I would say if we hold the middle Bollinger Band, we're looking good down at 272. So I don't really like how natural gas has been trading recently. It's been a difficult trade, and I'll show you on the hourly time frame what I'm talking about. But when I see that and I'm not comfortable picking one direction or the other, like I say, I've said in these videos before, I just find something else. There are so many things to trade out there in the market, and there's so many setups that you can be confident in. So if you're used to trading something and it gets a little bit hairy in terms of clear direction, step away from it and find something else. So the weekly time frame is pulling back. 279 is the 10-week moving average support. Obviously, the bulls need to break $3 to see a very bullish break, but that is not in the immediate future. So we had a very bullish start here with a move up to 294 and then an absolute dump out of nowhere. And that's where it's difficult. This is the hourly chart. So you think you got resistance here at 2391. You pull back, establish some key support, maintain higher lows, and then you get up here and set a higher high. So you would think that a pullback would establish a higher low compared to 2865. But obviously that did not occur. And even now it looks like this could be a bear flag on the hourly, which is a short-term bounce to cool off the technicals before another leg to the downside. So support is 2817, and then very key support is 280, where we consolidated and bounced off 280 twice. And if 280 breaks, it's going to be a more significant move for the bears, in my opinion. We still are looking fine. Let's look at the 4-hour uptrend line. Still maintaining higher lows and higher highs on this uptrend, and there's that 280. If that were to break, that would be a clear setback for the bulls. The 4-hour chart did form a bullish reversal doji, so we'll see if we get confirmation on it. But again, shorter term time frames in terms of the hourly chart and direction for natural gas is not very clear. Let's see what UNG is doing on the daily. So that's a little bit more clear. Bearish reversal candlestick the past 2 days. Inverted hammer. Bearish doji, there's your confirmation and follow through. Lower highs, lower lows, and looking down at 815 and 817 is moving average supports. And we didn't get a higher high here on UNG. 869 was the high. We topped out at 866, and natural gas did get a higher high, so there's a little bit of a discrepancy between the two. So breaking the lower high pattern for natural gas, the commodity, but UNG unable to do so, still lower highs on that pattern. So interesting to note. And 280 must hold support for the bulls tomorrow on natural gas. We'll check back in. Thanks for watching.